Welcome back, everyone, to another very nice day across the area. Not looking too terribly bad for Mom tomorrow. It's going to be muggier. We're going to have more clouds in the forecast, but again, still not too bad. And then rain chances increasing on us as we head into tomorrow night and at least through about the first half of the coming week. More on that in just a little bit. But first, again, lots of sunshine out there today. Now, high pressure that was right overhead yesterday did make a run well off to our east, so that's allowing for more of a return flow out of the Gulf of Mexico. So you may have noticed it was a touch muggier out there today, but really it's going to be more noticeably humid as we head into Mother's Day tomorrow. In fact, temperatures starting out tomorrow morning not quite as cool, only in the upper 60s to lower 70s, as again those southerly winds continue to bring in that moisture. And then more of a partly to mostly cloudy sky throughout the day tomorrow on our Sunday. Temperatures will be in the mid 80s once again, but heat indices are going to be a little bit higher in the upper 80s to right around 90 degrees. We may see an isolated shower or two developing with the heating of the day, but I think most of us stay dry tomorrow. Frontal boundaries are going to start to approach from the north, but I think this is where the bulk of the shower and thunderstorm activity is going to remain tomorrow afternoon, and then that boundary will slowly start to drop southward as we head into tomorrow evening and night, bringing with it a chance to see some scattered showers and storms here across Acadiana, and that'll continue as we head into our Monday as well, as this boundary is essentially just going to kind of be stalling out just off to our north. And one or two of these storms could be on the stronger to perhaps severe side. We are under a low-end risk to see severe weather, but not overly likely. But nonetheless, we'll be keeping you updated for sure. And then again, with this boundary kind of stalling out and impulses of upper-level energy working along that's going to keep our rain chances slightly elevated as we head into Tuesday and Wednesday as well, which is going to cause rainfall totals across the area to start to add up. Most of the models going for around an inch, maybe upwards to 3 inches in spots as we head into Wednesday. This is going to take us through Wednesday evening per the European model. Some locally higher amounts off into Mississippi, and then GFS model showing pretty much a similar story. Again, an inch to 3 inches possible across much of Acadia. And I think maybe locally higher amounts will be possible, especially north of the interstate and when you get into Mississippi as well. So we'll be keeping you updated on that for sure. Now, as far as our Mother's Day forecast, a pretty nice day out there for Mom tomorrow. We'll see partly to mostly cloudy skies. It's going to be warm, temperatures mid-80s tomorrow afternoon. Those heat indices approaching the upper 80s, maybe close to 90 degrees in spots. Isolated chance to see a shower or two through the course of the afternoon, but really not overly likely. So pretty quiet night ahead here across Acadiana. Not as cool, upper 60s to right around 70 degrees for an overnight low, with some clouds starting to build back in a little bit later on tonight. And as we head into our Sunday, Mother's Day, mixture of sun and clouds is what we'll call it. Warm and humid out there, mid-80s for that afternoon high. Breezy southerly winds at around 12 to 18 miles per hour. And then that weather pattern again turning more unsettled starting tomorrow evening and night. Rain chances up to 60%. That'll continue into our Monday. It's not going to be raining all day long, but we'll have to dodge a few scattered showers and storms out there, and then staying at around 60 to 70% as we head through at least Wednesday of next week before we start to see some nicer weather return to Acadiana as we round out next week and head into the following weekend. Kendria?